Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome students. Today we are going to study the molecular formula. Students, as you know that we have already studied about the empirical formula, in which we have studied that in the empirical formula we take the simple whole number ratio of the atoms present in a compound. While in the case of the molecular formula it is different, and that in the molecular formula we take the actual number of all the constituent atoms present in a compound. So in this connection we can define the molecular formula as. Students, today we are going to study about the molecular formula. Before that, it is very necessary to know that the molecules are formed by the combination of the different atoms. Different atoms combine to give the molecule, and that molecule is represented by the molecular formula. For example, we consider the example of the glucose, and in that glucose different atoms combine to give the molecule of the glucose, in which 6 atoms of the carbon, 12 atom of the hydrogen and 6 atom of the oxygen combine to give the molecule of the glucose. That representation of the glucose by the number of the atoms involved in that molecule is representation of the molecular formula. So by that discussion we can now define the molecular formula as the formula which shows the actual number of all the constituent atoms of the different elements in a molecule of a compound is called as the molecular formula. For example, we have considered the example of the glucose. Similar is the case, that is the water is the molecular formula of the water, in which the constituent atoms are hydrogen and oxygen, but they are different in numbers, and their number are hydrogen 2 and oxygen 1. Means that formula, that representation, a chemical representation of a molecule, in which we consider and we have all the constituent atoms that represent all the constituent atoms of the different element in a molecule of a compound will be called as the molecular formula. Now we also say that we have studied that empirical formula is the simple whole number ratio of all the constituent atoms, and that molecular formula may also be derived from that empirical formula. How? The answer is that the molecular formula can be derived from the empirical formula. Empirical formula. or we also say that the molecular formula is the derivation from the empirical formula, because we can say that the molecular formula is equal to an empirical formula. Where that n is the number, means 1, 2, 3 and so on. We can develop the molecular formula from the empirical formula by multiplying it with the simple integer, and that simple integer n may be 1, 2, 3 or 4 or so on. For example, we take the consideration of the again glucose. The empirical formula of glucose is CH2O. That is the empirical formula of the glucose. Now we change that empirical formula, we will derive the molecular formula from that empirical formula as molecular formula. MF is representing for the representation of the molecular formula, that is N into CH2O, where N is 6, C6 while the value of N is 6 for that glucose, we take the molecular formula as C6H12O6. Similar, we can say that the N is the simple integer. By the multiplication of that simple integer to the empirical formula, we get the molecular formula. So what is the N? What is the N? N क्या है? N is the ratio among the molecular mass and empirical formula mass. By that ratio, the ratio among the molecular mass and the empirical formula mass give the value of the N, and when that N is multiplied to the empirical formula, we can get the molecular formula of that compound. Now, we can say that either there are any compounds which contains same the molecular formula and the empirical formula. The answer is yes. हमारे पास ऐसे बहुत सारे कंपाउंड्स हैं जो जिनका एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला और मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला एक जैसा है. फॉर एग्जांपल, वाटर हैज़ द सेम मॉलिक्यूलर एंड एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला, एंड अमोनिया हैज़ सेम मॉलिक्यूलर एंड एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला. Carbon dioxide has same molecular and empirical formula. Nitric acid have the same molecular and empirical formula. Students, how we will imagine that which of the formula has the same molecular formula and the empirical formula? Because there are the billion and billions of the compounds. हम कैसे अहाता करेंगे कि कौन सा कंपाउंड सेम मॉलिक्यूलर और सेम एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला रखता है? तो इसके लिए एक छोटा सा नुस्खा है, एक छोटी सी बात है कि वो तमाम मामलात जिनमें द वैल्यू ऑफ n बिकम्स यूनिटी, यानी उसकी वैल्यू n की वैल्यू जहां एक आ जाए इस रेशो में, देन ऑल दोज कंपाउंड्स विल हैव द सेम मॉलिक्यूलर एंड द एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला. ठीक. नाउ वी कैन से दैट कि वी कैन imagine the thousands and the millions of the compounds regarding the empirical and the molecular formula by calculating that ratio of the value of the n. At the end, I hope that you have learned the complete idea of the molecular formula, but if you find any difficulty from any point, you may ask us on our website, then inshallah we will reply you for your questions. Thank you very much.